Everybody, today I'm going to show you how to get Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.15.0 for free. First, you'll need to go on this site www.android.ru. Go to search and then say Minecraft. Then go here to Minecraft Pocket Edition. Go here and then tap on this thing, and then she'll put you on this screen and you'll press this one. You'll say you this, you'll press OK. I have already downloaded, so yeah, bye.